As we get older, many people start to believe that energy fades, strength disappears, and life slows down. But researchers from Harvard University, the University of California, San Francisco, and the University of Cambridge have repeatedly proven that aging is not a decline, it's a transition. And what you do today can shape what your next 10, 20, or even 30 years look like. You have far more power over your health than you've ever been told. Every choice you make, every bite you take, every step you walk, and every thought you allow into your mind changes your biology. And the most inspiring part is that older adults can reverse muscle loss, sharpen memory, improve mobility, and feel more youthful simply by applying a few science-backed habits daily. Doctors from Johns Hopkins University explain that the human body remains adaptive well into the 80s. Muscles still respond, the heart still strengthens, and the brain still creates new neural connections. That means no matter your age, your body is waiting for you to give it the right signals. And the first signal is your mindset. The Yale School of Public Health conducted a stunning study showing that older adults with a positive view of aging lived an average of 7.5 years longer than those with negative beliefs. Not because of medication, not because of surgery, but because of mindset. Your thoughts literally influence your longevity. But mindset alone isn't enough. What you feed your body can either heal it or harm it. The University of Oxford's nutrition research proves that older adults who follow a nutrient-dense diet rich in whole foods experience 30 to 40% higher energy levels. Simple foods like berries, leafy greens, whole grains, and omega-3 rich foods support heart health, reduce inflammation, and protect the brain. When seniors add antioxidants, good fats, and fiber-rich meals, their body begins to repair itself. These aren't theories. These are medically documented findings used by doctors in the UK and the US every day. Even more powerful is the research from Tufts University, which found that seniors who added just 1 cup of leafy greens per day performed cognitively like people 11 years younger. Imagine that, 11 years of brain youth gained simply through food. That means that a small decision at breakfast can reshape the way your mind works for the rest of the day. But diet works best when paired with gentle movement. It doesn't have to be intense. Studies from the University of California, Los Angeles show that light exercises like walking, chair squats, wall push-ups, or gentle stretching for only 10 to 15 minutes daily increase blood flow, lift mood, and strengthen balance. Even more astonishing, the National Institute on Aging in the US revealed that older adults who practiced just 15 minutes of daily movement reduced their risk of falls by nearly 50%. Not by joining a gym, not by lifting heavy weights, but by consistent light movement. Joint pain, stiffness, or fatigue shouldn't hold you back. Researchers at the Mayo Clinic report that when seniors move slowly and consistently, synovial fluid increases, lubricating the joints and reducing pain naturally. Your body was designed to move and heal, not sit and deteriorate. Every small stretch, every slow step, every deep breath signals the body to activate its repair systems. And once that system wakes up, you begin to feel more alive. Another secret proven by Stanford University is the power of hydration. They found that even mild dehydration can cause fatigue, confusion, headaches, and decreased alertness in older adults. When seniors increase their water intake, their mental and physical energy rises within days. Your heart pumps more efficiently, your digestion improves, and even your skin becomes more radiant because cells finally receive the hydration they've been craving. Sleep plays an equally powerful role. The University of Pennsylvania School of Medicine showed in a long-term study that seniors with consistent sleep schedules have better immunity, stronger memory, and 30% lower risk of chronic diseases. This means waking up and going to bed at the same time daily can literally extend your lifespan. Quality sleep restores the brain, cleans out toxins, and repairs muscles, something no pill can replace. Lifestyle habits also determine how youthful your body feels. The University of Michigan found that older adults who spend time engaging with family, friends, or community activities live significantly longer, and feel more energetic. Loneliness, on the other hand, increases inflammation and aging markers. Simple conversations, laughter, or even small social interactions can dramatically boost your immune system. The most remarkable research comes from Duke University, where scientists discovered that older adults who maintain purpose, whether through hobbies, volunteering, learning new skills, or simply setting small goals, experience slower aging at the cellular level. Purpose protects your DNA. Purpose keeps your brain young. Purpose makes life feel worth living. Every study from these universities points to one truth: aging is not the enemy. Inactivity is the enemy. Neglect is the enemy. Negative beliefs are the enemy. Your body is capable, your mind is powerful, and your years ahead can be the healthiest ones yet. You have everything you need to rebuild your energy, your strength, and your spirit. And the best time to begin is today. Growing older is not a countdown to weakness. It is a chance to rebuild your body with the wisdom you've gained. Scientists from Harvard Medical School say that aging cells are highly responsive to lifestyle changes even after 70, which means your body can be upgraded at any age. Every healthy choice you make sends a signal deep inside your cells, telling them to repair, renew, and regenerate. And what's truly incredible is how quickly the body reacts when you give it what it needs, especially when it comes to light exercises, nourishing foods, and a positive mental environment. Researchers at the University of Southern California discovered that older adults who practice gentle strength movements for only 10 minutes a day see noticeable improvements in posture, mobility, and balance within weeks. Not years, weeks. The body remembers how to stand tall, how to move freely, and how to stay balanced even if it has been inactive for years. The muscles regain tone, the joints gain stability, and the heart starts beating with more confidence. That's because the human body is designed for movement, and science proves it responds the moment you start. But movement becomes even more powerful when combined with the right nutrition. The University of Edinburgh published research showing that as little as a 20% improvement in diet quality can reduce the risk of age-related diseases by more than 40%. Imagine that. Your life could immediately become safer, stronger, and healthier by simply adding better choices to your meals. Foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants act like medicine. They lower inflammation, strengthen immunity, and help repair the tiny damages inside the body that accumulate with age. Doctors from the University of California, Davis, emphasize that older adults need more protein than younger people to preserve muscle strength. Most seniors don't even come close to their recommended amount. But when seniors start consuming high-quality proteins, such as eggs, beans, yogurt, lentils, nuts, or fish, their muscles respond fast. The body begins rebuilding lost strength, reducing frailty, and enhancing stability. And when protein is paired with even light exercise, the benefits multiply. Another powerful discovery comes from the University of Exeter in the UK, which revealed that nitrate-rich foods like spinach and beetroot boost blood flow to the brain, enhance alertness, and improve memory function. These foods help the body produce nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and increases oxygen delivery throughout the body. For seniors, this means sharper thinking, better focus, improved stamina, and healthier circulation. But physical health isn't the only thing that determines long life. Studies from the University of Chicago show that seniors with strong emotional resilience live longer and report higher quality of life. Emotional resilience doesn't mean things don't hurt. It means you rise anyway. It means you keep moving forward even when life feels heavy. And science confirms that older adults who practice positive emotional habits reduce harmful stress hormones like cortisol, which accelerates aging. When you keep a hopeful heart, your body stays younger. This emotional strength grows when you take control of your daily habits. For example, researchers at the University of Pittsburgh found that older adults who follow a simple daily walking routine boost their cardiovascular health by up to 70%. Not by running, not by lifting heavy weights, just walking. Walking strengthens bones, improves digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and lifts mood by increasing serotonin and dopamine. These are the chemicals responsible for happiness and mental relaxation. Your body rewards movement with better health. Even the smallest lifestyle habits make a difference. The University of Toronto found that seniors who spent at least 15 minutes outside in natural light each day had better sleep, better mood, and stronger immune function. Sunlight triggers the release of serotonin and helps regulate your biological clock. When your internal clock is balanced, your body performs better, from digestion to memory to energy levels. Breathing techniques are another underestimated tool for staying youthful. According to a study from the University of Wisconsin-Madison, deep, slow breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, reducing anxiety and lowering blood pressure. Seniors who practiced slow breathing exercises for just 5 minutes a day experienced calmer minds, stronger mental focus, and measurable improvements in heart function. Breath is medicine, available anytime you need it. Your mindset also plays an extraordinary role in aging. Researchers from Columbia University discovered that seniors who engage in lifelong learning maintain brain volume longer than those who remain mentally inactive. Reading, learning new skills, solving puzzles, or even watching educational videos keeps the brain firing new synapses. This protects against memory decline and enhances cognitive strength. You are never too old to learn something new. The truth supported by every major university is this: aging does not erase potential. Your body is not shutting down, it is waiting for instructions. And the instructions it needs are simple. Move gently, eat wisely, think positively, rest deeply, hydrate consistently, and stay engaged with life. When seniors follow these simple habits, the body shifts into healing mode. What matters most is consistency. You don't need to make huge changes overnight. You don't need to compare yourself to others. You only need to show up for your body one small healthy choice at a time. Because every healthy choice you make sends a message to your heart, your bones, your muscles, and your mind. I'm still here. I'm still fighting, and I'm not done yet. This journey is not about becoming younger. It's about becoming stronger. It's about building a body that supports the life you want to live. And with science on your side, every step you take is a victory. There comes a moment in every person's life when you realize that the years behind you were preparing you for the strength you carry today. And science from respected institutions like Stanford University, King's College London, and the National Institutes of Health makes one thing clear: the human body does not stop improving at 60, 70, or even 80. It simply needs the right inputs to unlock its potential. Your muscles, bones, heart, and brain are more responsive than most people imagine, and every healthy decision you make today sends a ripple effect through your entire future. One of the most inspiring pieces of research comes from the University of Illinois, where scientists found that older adults who practiced 30 minutes of light daily activity, such as stretching, light walking, or simple home exercises, showed higher levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a compound that helps the brain grow new cells. This means movement literally creates a younger brain. Seniors in their 70s and 80s develop stronger memory, faster thinking, and improved problem-solving abilities simply by staying gently active. Your heart responds the same way. Cardiologists at the Cleveland Clinic confirm that even minimal exercise strengthens the heart muscle, improves circulation, and lowers blood pressure. Seniors who move regularly reduce their risk of heart complications by nearly half, not by medication alone, but by choosing motion. The heart loves consistency, and when you honor it with regular movement, it becomes more efficient, more resilient, and more youthful. But physical vitality requires nourishment too. Research from King's College London shows that seniors who prioritize anti-inflammatory foods like olive oil, nuts, fruits, vegetables, and fatty fish slow down biological aging at the cellular level. These foods protect telomeres, the tiny caps on your DNA that determine how fast you age. When telomeres stay long, you stay strong. When they shorten, disease risk rises. That means every healthy meal you eat is not just food, it's protection for your future. Scientists at the University of Texas Health Center have found that seniors who include omega-3 fats in their diet experience better heart rhythms, sharper cognitive function, and improved joint mobility. Omega-3s reduce inflammation throughout the body, allowing your joints to move with ease and your brain to stay sharp. A simple serving of fish 2 or 3 times a week can bring noticeable improvements. Mental sharpness is another area where science shows remarkable hope. Researchers at the University of Warwick in the UK reported that seniors involved in regular mental engagement, reading, memory games, music, puzzles, or learning new skills, reduced their risk of cognitive decline by more than 30%. The brain loves challenge. When you keep it active, you keep it young. Another essential factor is maintaining a meaningful daily routine. The University of Michigan's Institute for Social Research discovered that older adults who maintain structure, morning routines, gentle habits, purposeful activities, experience better sleep, higher daily energy, lower stress hormones, and improved emotional stability. Purpose gives the brain direction, and direction supports longevity. Social connection is equally powerful. Studies from the London School of Economics show that seniors with consistent social interactions, whether family visits, hobbies, community involvement, or simple conversations, experience lower inflammation, healthier blood pressure, and longer life expectancy. Human connection is medicine. It keeps the mind alive and the heart strong. Even small moments of connection can dramatically improve well-being. Hydration is another silent healer. Research from the University of North Carolina found that seniors who increased their daily water intake had better kidney function, improved digestion, and smoother skin tone. Water helps regulate body temperature, lubricates joints, and aids nutrient transport. Many older adults mistake thirst for hunger or fatigue, when in reality their body is simply asking for hydration. A hydrated body is an energetic body. Doctors at Johns Hopkins University have also proven that proper sleep extends lifespan. Seniors who commit to a steady sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at the same time daily, experience stronger immunity, better moods, and more stable energy levels. During deep sleep, the brain clears toxins, the heart rate stabilizes, and the body repairs tissues. Sleep is not a luxury, it is a biological requirement for healthy aging. But perhaps the most powerful discovery comes from a long-term study at Harvard called the Harvard Adult Development Study, one of the world's longest-running health studies. After more than 80 years of research, they concluded that the #1 factor predicting long, healthy, fulfilling lives is not wealth, not genetics, not even diet alone. It's emotional well-being and strong relationships. People who nurture joy, hope, gratitude, and meaningful relationships live longer, heal faster, and remain happier. Emotional health is physical health, and this is where your journey becomes inspiring. Because every university study, every medical discovery, every scientific finding comes back to one truth. Your future is still in your hands. Your age does not limit you. Your past does not define you. Your body is waiting for your leadership. When you choose better food, your cells rejoice. When you choose movement, your muscles wake. When you choose connection, your heart strengthens. When you choose learning, your brain lights up. When you choose positivity, your entire biology shifts toward healing. Aging is not about stopping time, it's about using your time wisely. It's about honoring your body, fueling your mind, and protecting your spirit. You are capable of becoming stronger, healthier, and more alive than you felt in years. And every day you wake up is proof that your story is still being written. You have the wisdom of your past, the strength of your present, and the hope of your future. And now, with science lighting your path, you have everything you need to live your next years with energy, confidence, and vitality. Your age is not your limit, it is your power.